The phrase, "Would you mind plus ing," is a polite way to ask someone to do something. It is often used when you want to request help or ask for a favor in a very courteous manner. Would you mind means, would it bother you if, or is it okay if? The verb that follows would you mind is always in the ing form.
Let's learn some examples.
Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
Would you mind helping me with this task? Would you mind helping me with this task?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Of course, I'd be happy to help.
Would you mind turning off the lights? Would you mind turning off the lights?
Not at all, I'll do it now. Not at all, I'll do it now.
Would you mind picking me up later? Would you mind picking me up later?
No, I don't mind. What time? No, I don't mind. What time?
Would you mind giving me a hand with this? Would you mind giving me a hand with this?
Sure, I can help you. Sure, I can help you.
Would you mind sending me the document? Would you mind sending me the document?
Not at all, I'll send it right away. Not at all, I'll send it right away.
Would you mind looking after my dog this weekend? Would you mind looking after my dog this weekend?
I wouldn't mind at all. I wouldn't mind at all.
Would you mind answering a few questions? Would you mind answering a few questions?
No problem, go ahead. No problem, go ahead.
Would you mind waiting here for a moment? Would you mind waiting here for a moment?
Sure, I can wait. Sure, I can wait.
Would you mind bringing me a glass of water? Would you mind bringing me a glass of water?
Of course, I'll bring it right away. Of course, I'll bring it right away.